Welcome. Today, we're going to explore a fundamental concept in algebra called inverse variation. We'll be focusing on understanding relationships written as y equals k divided by x. So, what exactly is inverse variation? It describes a situation where as one quantity increases, another quantity decreases at a rate that is proportional. A simple way to think about it is like a seesaw. When one side moves up, the other side must move down. In algebra, we use a specific formula to represent this relationship. It's written as y equals k over x in this formula. The letters y and x are our variables, meaning their values can change. The letter k, however, is a constant. That means its value stays the same throughout the problem. Let's talk more about k, which is called the constant of variation. This special number is what defines the unique connection between x and y. To find the value of k, you can simply multiply x and y together. Once you calculate k, remember that it will not change for that specific inverse relationship. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine you have a trip to make that is 120 miles long. If you increase your speed, the time it takes to complete the trip decreases. Conversely, if you decrease your speed, the travel time increases. This is a perfect example of an inverse relationship. Speed and time are inversely proportional. Using our travel example, let's identify the constant k. Let's say our speed x is 30 miles per hour, which results in a travel time y of 4 hours. If we increase our speed to 60 miles per hour, our travel time decreases to 2 hours. Notice that when we multiply speed and time in both cases, we get the same result, 120. So in this problem, our constant k is 120. When you plot an inverse variation on a graph, it forms a distinct shape. The graph is a smooth curve that gets very close to the x and y axes but never actually touches them. This specific type of curve is known as a hyperbola. As you can see, as the x value gets larger, the corresponding y value gets smaller. To wrap things up, let's review the key points. First, in an inverse variation, as one value increases, the other decreases. Second, the relationship is described by the formula y equals k divided by x. Third, k is the constant of variation, which you can find by multiplying x and y. And finally, the graph of this relationship is a curve called a hyperbola.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.